Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to study the question answers, notes and summary and the grammar part of class 6 English. I want to quit the ICS. If you want the notes of other lessons or other subject, kindly check the playlist of my channel. You can easily get from there. So here are the pre-reading tasks, the question and answers which are supposed to ask before starting the lesson. Here are those question answers and answer for those questions are there. You can refer this for that. Now from here it starts a notes. Tell your partner to answer these questions and write down what he or she says. Read the given extracts to your partner and discuss the answers with him or her. First question, I am writing this letter to you on a very important matter. First, who is writing the letter here? Here, Subhash Chandra Bose is writing the letter. Second, who is he writing to? He is writing the letter to Deshabandhu Chitranjan Das. Third, what is that very important matter? The important matter is to know what works he would be able to allot to him in the great program of national service. Next question, I want to quit the ICS. First, who was ICS? What was ICS? Indian Civil Services. Second, why did he want to quit the ICS? He wanted to quit the ICS and join the freedom movement. Third, when did he pass the ICS? He passed ICS in August 20. Next question, booklets will be published in every provincial language. First, who would publish these booklets? Answer, the propaganda department will publish in every provincial language. Second, why should the booklets be published in every provincial language? Because the provincial languages are different. Third, would people be asked to buy the booklets? No, the booklets would be distributed free among the general public. Next, answer in 2 or 3 sentences each. Question A. Why did Subhash Chandra Bose think it proper to give a detailed introduction of his family and himself to C.R. Das? Answer. Subhash Chandra Bose was a stranger to C.R. Das. The introduction will make C.R. Das to recognize Bose. Question B. What opinions did he have in his mind after quitting the ICS? Answer. After quitting the ICS, he wanted to plunge into national work with determination. He wanted to teach at the National College in Calcutta and take up writing and publishing books and newspapers, organizing village societies, spreading education among the common people. Question C. How did the civil service examination help him? Answer. By the civil service examination, he had an all-round education up to a certain standard in economics, political science, English, law, Sanskrit and geography. Question D. Why did not he dare to write directly to C.R. Das? Who did he send his letter with? Answer. The boss was ICS probationer and his letter will be censored. So he sent that letter through a trusted friend of him. Next main, work with your partner and discuss the points raised in these questions. Give your reason for what you say. Write down what you say. Subhash Chandra Bose was born in Cuttack, Orissa on January 23, 1897. His mother was Prabhavati and his father was Janakinath Bose. One of his elder brothers, Mr. Sharat Chandra Bose, was a famous lawyer. Exactly how old was Subhash on the day he wrote this letter? 24 years, 1 month, 7 days. His very first word in the letter are polite and respectful. True. Subhash brags about his educational qualification. Not true. In those days, people sailed in ships to foreign countries. How many months after his graduation did Subhash travel on the sea to England? Did any elderly person accompany him? After 6 months? No. Subhash says that he will remain in England till June 1921. Subhash spent his time traveling in England throughout his 20-month stay there. True. Subhash was still very young, but his heart was strong with patriotic feelings. He was prepared to serve his country as a teacher, educationist, and as a social worker. You can understand if a young man says he wants to write books and artists, but Subhash says he wants to publish newspapers. What would you say about this patriotic feeling? What does Bose request C.R. Das to do? Allot work in the program of national service. Subhash did not want C.R. to be questioned by some British officers. True. Subhash say he does not mind being questioned about letters addressed to him. True. India was under British rule, then Bose says this had created problems for India. True. The problems had to be studied closely. Who had to do it? A permanent staff of national service. What was the plan to make these problems known to ordinary people? Booklets distributed free. Read paragraph 6 and 7 carefully and pick out the sentences which contain the following words and phrases. Question A. Lest. Answer. I did not dare to write to you directly lest my letter should be censored. Question B. In a sense. Answer. I am now in a sense a government servant. Question C. Did not dare. Answer. I did not dare to write to you directly. Question B. To give up. Answer. I desired to give up the service with clear-cut plans. Question E. Of mine. Answer. I am sending this letter through a trusted friend of mine. Question F. Of course. Answer. You may of course write to me. 5 words in use. Working with a partner, write down your own sentences with the words given below. Sita most probably thinks she is always right. My mother recognized my friend very quickly. The students took part in the annual day function with much enthusiasm. Achievements are possible with determination. BDA allots sites for people. Ravi was over enthusiastic during annual day activities. Next, language function. Read these sentences aloud to your partner. Tell him or her what the speaker is doing. If you get a first class this time, I will buy a bicycle. Making a present. You will fail in examination if you sit all day before the TV. Giving a warning. You will feel much better if you take these tablets. Giving advice. If you do that again, you will be punished. This is a reprimand. Now complete these sentences using the words given in the bracket. If you ask him, he will help you. If it rains, he will not come. Your father will punish you if you don't go. I'll tell father to buy a TV. Next, writing part. Write down 6 to 8 sentences about what you think of Subhash's character. Note that he was very young at that time. Young Subhash Chandra Bose was a very intelligent boy. He cleared all his examinations easily. He had great respect for elders in the society. This proved in his letter to C.R. Das. He was patriotism personified. He had many constructive ideas to serve the nation. He was very sure about the result of his service to the nation. Now here is the summary in English of the lesson I want to quit the ICS. The lesson I want to quit the ICS is a letter written by Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose to Deshabandhu Chittaranjan Das seeking his advice about what he should do after quitting Indian civil service, a government service job. This letter is written on 16 February 1921 from the Union Society of Cambridge University. In the letter, Subhash Chandra Bose introduces himself to the Deshabandhu because he is a stranger to him. He introduces himself as a son of Mr. Janakinath Bose, who is practicing lawyer at Cuttack. His brother, Mr. Sharat Chandra Bose, is a barrister of Calcutta High Court. He had passed his BA examination with a first class. He had arrived at Cambridge in October 1919 and passed the civil service examination in August 1920 and secured a second place. After introducing himself, Subhash Chandra Bose writes that he has no desire to enter the government civil service. He is determined to enter national work after quitting civil service. He assures Mr. Chitranjan Das that he will have plenty of work to do, like teaching at the National College established by Mr. Das, and by writing and publishing books and newspaper, organizing village societies, and educating the Indian masses. He requests Mr. Das to let him know what works he will be assigned by Mr. Das in the great program of national service. He assures Mr. Das of his youthful enthusiasm to serve the nation. He is thankful to the civil service examination because it has provided him all round education in economics, political science, English, law, Sanskrit, and geography. He desires to give up civil services after making definite plans of his future course because he wishes to not spend his time in aimless pursuits. He is eager to jump into the field of work at the earliest. He has sent this letter to Mr. Das through a trusted friend, fearing censorship by the British administration, and in future his correspondence will be through his trusted friend. Subhas Bose also writes that he had formed a few ideas regarding Indian national movement. He believes that there must be a permanent meeting place, perhaps a house, and that there is a need for research group to study the various national problems. The propaganda department will publish these researches in every provincial language among the public for free. In addition to pamphlets, a book on each and every question in the rational life and the policies of the organization with explanation should be published. Subhash concludes his letter by writing that such questions are not new to Mr. Das. He finally says that he feels that there was tremendous work to do in the future through the movement. His wish was to be able to contribute the movement in every respect. So this is all about your lesson of class 6 English. I want to quit the ICS. As I have told you, if you want the more lessons, kindly check the playlist of my channel. Thanks for watching.